In this vast world, one could argue that everyone is living according to their will. But the better question is everyone living well? Because if so, how come not everyone has a decent living? How come some are pushed to the edges of society and are isolated? Does anyone's faith, ethnicity, status do this signify diversity? Or have these differences paved the road of margins in the community? Through centuries, their isolation wraps their community in a chain, shrinking the world around them. But what has failed to be recognized are its implications for those who are vulnerable, which are children. Children of innocent souls that can only wonder about the world but cannot truly feel it. Today, I speak on behalf of my community, often misunderstood, labeled unfairly, and stereotyped. Too many of my community are seen as a threat simply because of their faith. These stereotypes do not define us. They limit our potential and divide us. The most hurtful impact is on our children, who taught to fear being different. They are growing in a world which their identity is being questioned, and their faith is the reason for exclusion. We ask you, what kind of a world are we building when a child learns that who they are is something to hide? Leaders, we call on you to act. We need an educational system that promotes understanding, laws that protect each individual, and a world where seeing different is being celebrated and not feared. Leaders, your role is not only to govern, but to protect. To protect each dignity, identity, and the future of all children, no matter their religion is, race, and background. Let us raise a generation that is proud of who they are, one that is united, not divided. The time for change is now. Let us break the chain together. To all world leaders, please do not forget our indigenous brothers and sisters, especially children. They deserve a future where they are free from their dreams, growth, and success without having fear of discrimination or being left alone. The future of indigenous children is the future of the world. When we lift them up, we build a better place for everyone. Open your hearts and mind to the indigenous people. Give them education that values their culture, protects their land, their language, and their identity. And most importantly, bring opportunities, not empty promises.
To all world leaders, I humbly appeal on behalf of those children who live in conflict areas. These innocent lives are the most affected in times of war and violence. I urge you to prioritize their safety, well-being, and rights. Let us work together to create a world where no child has to grow in fear, where schools are safe spaces, and where children can freely dream without the shadows of war. Protecting them today means securing a more peaceful and just tomorrow.
Children living in poverty are often left behind in the shadows of society. They face daily struggles, hunger, unsafe environment, and are forced to work, leaving their education unattended. They are denied opportunities, yet bears the responsibility as the hope of the future. And instead of focusing on learning, they are exposed to early labor. But what about your dreams and aspirations? Leaders, let us ensure that every child, no matter the background, has access to quality education. Prioritize policies that protect children's rights and promote their unique abilities, giving them a chance to change and reshape their lives. Together, let us break the chain of poverty and bring light to the future of a new country. Together,
let's break the chain that holds the potential within.